The idea of me getting into real estate was, me thinking that I can do it since I come from a background of construction. And back then I used to watch a lot of TV, and one thing that I did like to watch was those TV shows on TV, on HGTV and all that, the Flip This House and all those TV shows. And one day I just thought, I can do this. I come from a background of construction, so I'm pretty sure I can do that. They make it seem so easy, but can't realize it's not that easy like they show it on TV.
Before we were in real estate investing, we were looking to increase our finances. We just wanted to elevate ourselves to our full potential instead of just being comfortable. We wanted just, to live our lives to the fullest in every aspect. Money, time, just being of service to the community.
What I find great about real estate investing is obviously the money, but we really get to help people. We get to help them out and find solutions to any problems that they might have, and that's, at the end of the day, that's what we like to do. We like to help our community and help people overcome any obstacles or problems that they might be going through.
Real estate investing has taught me that there is many ways to solve issues with people going through just any type of problem that they might be having, by it being personal or financial. It somehow is always connected, and that's what I've really learned is that there's a connection, that relationship, and that's the service that you provide, is by helping people and connecting with people. When I first met Alfred, my first impression was I was iffy. I wasn't, because we had been to other seminars, and it looks like a lot of people, they're just trying to take advantage of someone's dream. And I was just, with my guard up about that, because it seemed like nobody wanted to help us out unless we gave them $20,000, $50,000. And I, in the beginning, that's what I thought, like, that this was just another training program just to take your money away. But for some reason, I don't know, like, Alfred, he really was genuinely trying to help us out. Like, he's not in it just for the money. He really wants to help people out so they can avoid going through these training programs that aren't really helping people. They're just taking advantage of their need or want to further themselves in life.